Hey there, it's Jane from the blog chalkandupsuccess.com, and today I'm going to be making a wreath with dried grass. You're going to need a wreath base, some florist wire, scissors and some grass. So first of all you just take the florist wire and tie it off. Just twist it around a little bit onto the wreath just to secure it. It's nice and tight. And then we start making our wreath. Take a nice bunch of the dried grasses. I like it to be nice and fluffy. So put it on, untie, twist it around, twist the florist wire around, make it nice. Just once you need, and leave about this much. So you can see I've already cut these. The grasses were this long, and I've already cut them down by half, I would say. But now you can see you can cut off here as well once you put them on. So I'll do a couple of rounds because I'll show you how we're going to hide the wire. So I'm just going in one direction to start with. Nice fluffy. Oops. So there. And basically I'm going to go always in the same direction first of all. And then you can see this little bit of wire, and I'll show you how I'm going to get rid of that. So take another nice fluffy bunch, and then what I'm going to do is go in the opposite direction, so then that you won't see this wire on the inside. So I'm always going in one direction, but when you see the wire, then I'll just do another one over here and the wire's gone. You don't see it. So then I'm going to speed this up a bit for you so that it's not too boring. So when we get to the end, it looks like this. And we just need to be a bit careful now. We want to be careful that we don't catch these, and we're going to tuck these smaller pieces of grass in behind, and so that this stays nice and fluffy and doesn't get cut off with the wire. So I'm cutting them a little bit shorter, and I'm just going to tuck them in underneath like this. Oops, caught. So, and then got some them in again underneath. I'll take my wire, take it around here. So now I'm going to turn it over and cut some of the wire off, and then tuck the wire in to the back. And just twist it around a bit. Could make a little hanging loop. I'm going to just tuck some grass in there because you can see the last bit of the wire that I used. If I just tuck a few pieces in, you'll see it then. And there's your wreath finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next video.